The Yearning Spirit. I hold the blessing packet close, and keep it also on my bed. Its petals of the blessed rose, keeping afar the stealth and dread that wait to innocence betray, and would the highest light delay, with subtlety and with ruse, the yearning spirit to abuse.